Looks like we got a dead GE dryer, you know what we always do. Check the knob, make sure it's not stripped. Make sure the start switch is not shoved all the way in. No, we're actuating. Sometimes there's a fuse down here. Nope. No fuse down here. Go ahead and start taking it apart. Long Phillips. And then two going up. Take the front off, short ones. All right, now we'll get the drum out. I have to clean out all of that good stuff. Belt in there. Belt's on. We got the drum out. Belt was good. Door switch was good. This fuse is usually the culprit with the two brown wires going to it. This little booger right here stopped that whole dryer from going. It's a thermal fuse, so check your vent. This one was pretty clogged, but you can test it with the two brown wires right here run right down to it. That should do it. Let's see. Some of these are thermostats actually, but this is a high limit. Some of them are like 315 degree thermostats, but this is a limit that will blow. The thermostats are resettable. These are cheap. So definitely a good fix on these. Definitely gonna need some new slides too. Slides with the little catch. Ain't no way I'm putting this rubber band 3 rib back on there. Go with the 4 rib. Much stronger. Front back up. Make sure to plug it in. Brown wires that come up from here goes over to the start switch and over to the timer. That will stop it. High limit on a GE. Sometimes you look these up and they're not even on the parts breakdown, but the part number is WE04X26139. Definitely will kill a GE dryer. Bada boom. Thanks for watching.